ideas as well. Awesome, thank you for your efforts coming in as well. Just a few basics, just to let you know, toilets are around the back if you guys need. How's it, Teddy? Food, everything, if you guys are hungry, whatever. There is a bucket if you want, besides coffee, waters and juices and coke and whatever, that is there, but we'll move it outside a bit later. Okay. Is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, no. Firstly, I want to thank all you guys for coming through. This was an invite-only thing where we looked at all the people that we've been dealing with and guys that have been asking questions about the range. People that want to know a little bit more about what Turtlewax is doing. I mean, there's been a lot of hype on the internet right now, and we said let's bring you guys together. And this was not meant to bring in the top detailers to come in. They've got tons of experience, but with guys that are just experimenting with product, trying to figure it out. We've been playing with the product for the past 2 weeks. We've learned a few things, and we're going to show you that today. So today will be a lot about hands-on kind of stuff. You guys will get to play with it. We'll talk about what we learned in the different products. Considering these products were launched in the US quite a while ago, different climates, different part of the world, and what we found in South Africa with it. So
temperatures and it plays a role.
We've been in the industry 12 years. We've seen the evolution of products. I mean, Mark's been there with us from the beginning, and thank you for that, Mark. And as a supplier of different types of detailing products, I think it's quite important that these kind of gatherings happen. And the guys behind it, like Mark and Turtlewax South Africa, that's willing to show their products, willing to come here, willing to stand testament to their products. I mean, that says a lot about a product. We get suppliers that we just throw it out there, marketing hypes. Today is not about that day. The other thing is we're not selling product here today. We want you to experience the product, so it's all about the experience of what Turtlewax has to offer, the new ceramic range.
Nothing, sorry, not just to step in, we want you guys, this is informal, this is not us trying to sell you a product and we're having like a corporate type thing. This is you guys asking questions. If you're feeling something is not right, let's discuss it, let's talk about it, let's work together on it, because as much as I can tell you this and this and this is what the product does, very important to get the information from the guys that are actually using it. We can build up on the hype and all of that, which as a company we need to do to a degree, but we feel that we're very honest, and I think that's the nice partnership we have between Crazy and ourselves, is the honesty side of things. I'm not going to sell a product to you guys that is bullshit. We're not going to tell you that the product does this, and you'll see as we go out the differences where we will point out the slight lacking as well as the pros of the product. The product, at the end of the day, the result you get is phenomenal. But you'll experience all of that. So it's just the nice thing is to have you guys, please stop. If I'm talking, Neil's talking, doesn't matter, stop us. If you've got a question, ask. Okay, because this is all very new. This is also new to us. We've only been playing with it for 2 weeks. So we've done quite a bit of research, but a lot of play in that 2 weeks to get it right. The range was launched through the European guys about 7 years ago, 8 years ago. And it never took off in South Africa. Just never took off. The guys looked at it, liked it. I mean, we had it on the shelves. I found that the technology was a little bit too advanced for our liking, to be honest, at the point where we were at. I mean, to take an interior cleaner that you can use on fabric, on leather, on your dashboard, everything in one, and take stains out of cars, people didn't grasp it. But anyway, the product worked very well, so on. So hence, Europe, America, we've discontinued ice, so they couldn't go call it the ice range again because it's been discontinued, so there were certain names for it. Everything falls under the hybrid name, okay? But this is like the sealant. You'll see the imagery is the same, just the name is different. Okay, so if you are wondering, this is the ice seal and shine, just in our packaging. And then obviously you've got the ceramic side of things now, which we will go.
Mark, you want to take us maybe through the...
Any
other questions before we delve into it? Yes.
This is going to be the one that is offering you the best in terms of protection. Yes, we're going to go through the whole process. I think I'll leave that outside to discuss and show you guys later. But very, very nice product. Protection is awesome. Water beading, sheeting is phenomenal. You guys will get to experience. The nice thing about this is it's low dust attraction. Versus if you guys haven't played with this one, okay, unfortunately collects dust, this one far less. Did you have a continuous dust problem? just on the first application.
Continuous.
And that's also a bit of the difference between SiO2 and a polymer. Because with the polymer, the way you remove it on the microfiber creates a lot of static. That's the problem.
I mean, the thing is, I'm cursed with having cars that are darker colors. They're dark greys, blacks.
Yeah.
Greys, it comes brown real quick.
A lot of guys with lighter color cars, even silver, white,
Yeah, you don't
they
pick it
don't
up.
see it. So yeah, ceramic car on a dark color.
The thing is also, you look at the States and when they develop these type of products, they don't have the climates that we do. We're very dry and dusty, and a lot of the proper range side that has been developed, multi-layer on this. Obviously, the more you layer, the better the durability. The only thing is you've got to wait 24 hours. We were chatting earlier. How do we prove this? How we're running our own little bit of test as well to see what is the difference, because let's be honest, we don't have 24 hours, especially as a business. You don't have the car to do 2 layers or 3 layers, or if you've used the polish and then doing you don't have 38, 40 hours, whatever the case is to apply. The wet wax. Okay, this is very cool. I don't know if you guys do know of the likes of wet and waxes and your aqua waxes and so on like that. Same structure, same process, just obviously SiO2 infused. Very quick, easy on, easy off. The only 2 products I'm going to tell you where you're going to battle, not battle, but it's a little bit tougher to use, is that and the sealant, the spray coating, and then the polishing wax. The other 3 products are very simple, very straightforward. So this is also, again, if you've done your sealant, whatever you're washing and you're not using the shampoo, you just want to dry the car, it's a drying aid as well, spray on, dry off, you've reloaded it.
Brilliant drying aid. I've been using it through the week, absolutely stunning. Very nice. Same with Seal and Shine, also really good as a drying aid.
Detailer is your, if you want to call it a dry wash, you can use it as that. So this is awesome for the car shows, things you've driven there, nowhere to wash the car, you hose it down, you use your normal dry wash technique, 10, 20 microfibers, make sure the car is nice, that you're not damaging. Got awesome gloss enhancers as well, SiO2 infused as well, as all the products are, generally spray on, wipe off, can be applied on the glass, the plastics, the paint, everywhere. Sorry, I haven't said that all the products are. We put on the glass on the windscreens, on the side panels and all of that, very cool. We're just on the windscreens tending to find that after a bit of time, the smearing, you're getting the lines, corrected, shifting. So, we would recommend not to go on that side of things. Then going into the ceramic polish and wax, again, guys, we need to understand this isn't your process of coarse cut, medium, blah, 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 going through. It is a very, very nice polish, okay? It has got quite a nice cut to it. Where you're going to increase your cutting is by playing with pads. You're either going to run with a microfiber pad or you're going to go with compound pad if you're wanting a heavier cut. We've managed to do quite a lot of correction with a polishing pad and then just using the polish. Okay.
So I just want to add on a bonnet to welcome the trade. There's one section that has been corrected already. Joey will take us through that. And then there we're going to test the ceramic. That car's being prepared, and like Mark says, we've stripped down everything from the car. There's no wax on that car right now. It's just been paint corrected. So from there we'll test the ceramic. Yeah. So we're just going to go through the processes on this car. This is our wash, as Neil said, wash and wet wax bake. We just want to show you the drying process, the washing process. I want everyone to grab a wash mitt quickly, run through, just feel what it's like, just so that you guys get to feel the shampoo. Obviously when you get home you're going to have your own equipment in your time, but that's just the purpose. If you're not keen on it and you want to wait till you're home, cool. No problem. And for those you're using products, please make sure you use gloves. You want your skin to last. No, we don't. I'll just put
I'm not gonna even lie.
How's the smell of it though? It smells nice, eh? It actually makes using the product too.
But then the after smell, I don't know. Then it's.
Sorry, can I just
Have you ever washed it?
No.
Doesn't go with the.
Not beaten up. So basically you want to just give a couple of sprays. You can see how it starts pushing water already. One thing I must mention here,
Mango flavor again.
is less is more.
you'll see when we start using the ceramic coating or the spray coating, less is more. You over apply, you ask for problems. Right? You're just creating more work for yourself.
Yeah, because that's a normal thing with a guy.
Sort of shocking. Now it's becoming like a sandy blue.
The thing was to see the opposition burner.
Yes, that's right. I didn't see that.
So, you know, it's one of those little things that. There it is. You guys can see there. This is a surface that we have prepared. Okay. I think we've done this about a week ago. We've had to wipe it off once or twice, so there are a little bit of marks on there. I need to also stress very nicely that this bonnet has got clear coat paint mix, so you will see a little bit of red on the pad. It's not the product, okay, it's just our demo bonnet, because the bonnet goes in quite regularly for respraying and so on. So yeah, this is a process. I'm going to work on this top section now, just to show you guys how it runs, so on. Then we're going to do a little bit of hand application. I want you guys also to feel what it feels like. Who has got a machine and that uses a machine, you get to feel the sort of glide of the compound on the pad, so on. Neil?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, you're not there. Sorry, bro.
Look right over you.
Boy, I just want to quickly ask, are we going to use the fiber?
We can try both. Where is the base? I don't know. There it is, Wes. Yeah.
The surface, you're going to go low speed, you want to just get a nice coverage. Generally with running with this polish and wax, you're going to be sort of a 50 by 50 area on 4 drops. If you're going on by hand, you might put a little bit more, but again, as Neil said earlier, less is more. I promise you now, especially coming to the detailer as well as the sealant, it's very important the quantity you're using. This as well, because of the play time you got, you don't want to overload the panel.
Yeah, okay, so on your very first one, you need a little bit more just to prime the pan.
Correct.
Then you don't need as much.
Sure. And do things a little bit differently. So you guys did see what the panel looked like.
How's this on dusting?
Yeah, it's got no dust actually.
Remember, a lot of dust also comes to your pan.
Okay, so I'm now going to crank the speed up to work it.
Yeah. Must be. No, 10.
And it's got like seriously swirled up paint, but we also have removed 2,500 sandpaper from here. I've seen Sam just spray on, wipe off. Sam, sorry. I don't know. Weather, I don't know. Not so easy.
But you said versus what?
Sorry?
You said
No, versus like the sealant. So they're removing in the high spots.
okay.
So basically, you're going to, on a surface area like that, okay, let's say half the bonnet, you're going to give 2 sprays.
Okay. And word of advice here, do not try to do big areas. Do not, you will absolutely find yourself short. Work on a smaller area, better control, better coverage. Because in products like this, you want to get coverage, you want to get even coverage. And don't over apply. I will say this, I can't say it enough, do not over apply.
I'm going to do a double process. We will do an over application and we will do a normal application, a light application. Okay, so that's pretty much what you're going to do. A lot goes a very long way. I mean, thanks, but yeah, sorry. Little.
It applies to both anyway. A lot does go a long way.
And then you would turn your cloth and you're going to buff off.
How effective is it without a full prep?
So it was quite a nice event today. We had, I've been invited, it was an invite only to the new ceramic infused products by Turtle Wax. And I'm just driving back from the event. They gave us a nice goodies bag. Really impressed with the product itself in terms of its hydrophobic capabilities as well as its beading abilities and sheeting abilities as well. Very, very, very good. Yeah, I think from the video itself you guys can see and have a look some of the products we tested in it. At the moment I don't have all the products, I still require the wax. So what we'll do is, I know I haven't spoken a lot about the project guys yet because of other commitments, but once the project guy is up and done, we'll use his products on the project car, and we'll take it from there and see if this thing really works the way it does work. But from my initial usage of the product itself, I'm pretty pleased to say that without a doubt this is one of the better products out there. The wash, the initial wash, your wash bucket method, so your soap, absolutely phenomenal. I truly enjoyed it. So once again, thank you to the guys at Turtle Wax, thank you to Neil from Crazy Detailer. Really appreciate the invite as well, and hopefully we get